You're crushing it online. Customers worldwide are loving your product. But hold on, there's a hurdle: international payments. For any business owner with global ambitions, navigating foreign transaction fees can be a confusing minefield. So, if you're a Tide business user taking your hustle international, you might be wondering, does Tide charge foreign transaction fees? Let's break it down and shed some light on those international payment costs with Tide. Global spending with Tide, the breakdown. First things first, Tide doesn't currently offer international payments, neither sending nor receiving money directly from overseas accounts. This means you can't use Tide for activities like sending invoices to international clients or receiving payments from foreign marketplaces. Now, this might sound like a roadblock, but fear not. There are still ways to manage your international business finances with Tide. Here's how. 1. Using Tide for local transactions in foreign currencies. Let's say you're attending a trade show in Paris or running Facebook ads targeted at a European audience. You can still use your Tide card for these transactions. Here's what to expect. MasterCard exchange rate. When you use your Tide card abroad or for online purchases in a foreign currency, MasterCard's exchange rate applies. This means the conversion rate might differ slightly from the official interbank rate. No additional markup. The good news is Tide doesn't add any extra fees on top of MasterCard's exchange rate. You only pay the base rate set by MasterCard. Standard ATM fee. The standard £1 ATM withdrawal fee still applies, even if you're using an ATM abroad. 2. Partnering with a third-party service. While Tide itself doesn't handle international payments directly, you can leverage other services to bridge this gap. Here are a couple of options. Wise, formerly TransferWise. This popular online money transfer service allows you to send and receive international payments with transparent fees and often more competitive exchange rates compared to traditional banks. Payoneer, another popular option. Payoneer offers a business account with a debit card and allows you to receive international payments from clients and marketplaces. 3. Upgrading your banking solution. If your business heavily relies on international transactions, it might be worth exploring other business banking solutions with built-in international payment features. Here are some factors to consider. International payment fees. Compare various providers' fees for sending and receiving international payments. Some might offer flat fees, while others might charge a percentage of the transaction amount. Exchange rates. See if the provider offers competitive exchange rates or adds significant markups. Transfer speeds. How quickly do you need your international payments to be processed? While Tide itself doesn't handle international payments directly, there are still ways to manage your international finances with a Tide account. You can use your Tide card for local transactions in foreign currencies, partner with a third-party service like Wise or Payoneer, or explore upgrading to a banking solution with built-in international payment features. Ultimately, the best approach depends on your specific business needs and transaction volume. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.